Hey guys, Shannon down here at Westgate Chevrolet, again here with you today with this beautiful 2020 High Country Silverado 1500 behind me, showing off one of the coolest features that is new to trucks, and specifically with our High Countries, the remote tailgate right from the key fob. So with just pressing the button twice on the key fob, we're going to go ahead and drop our tailgate. Now along with that, let's say you finish loading up your stuff, you're on your way back, grab more stuff and hop back into your truck. Just by pressing the button twice and holding, we can also raise our tailgate back up. So this is something that's very special to our Silverados, and I'd love to see you try it firsthand. So come on down to Westgate Chevrolet, let's show you what more this truck has to offer, get you out on the road for a test drive, and hopefully maybe put one in your garage and allow you to take advantage of that awesome tailgate lift feature. Once again, Shannon down at Westgate Chevrolet. 780-266-1679 is my number. Please give me a call. I'd love to have you come on down to our store.
Legend of the Chevy Farm, Westgate Chevrolet.
Make your deal today.